guys, welcome to GhanaToday TV, and once again, I am Nana Kofi here to bring you another trending and exciting story all over social media. So yes, Mzbel and Afia Schwarzenegger are at it again on social media, and this whole thing, it looks like it's not going away because at the end of the day, yes, now one of them will get a radio or a TV opportunity and they will say something and spark the whole controversy again. And yes, Mzbel has actually said that she's tired of this whole back and forth with Afia Schwarzenegger. She doesn't want Afia Schwarzenegger to talk about her again, neither will she also talk about Afia Schwarzenegger again. She actually mentioned this on United Showbiz, yes, with Nanama McBrown on UTV. She says she wants the whole tension and situation between she and Afia Schwarzenegger to end. So she has actually taken it to court. Now the court, any illegal one, any a Christian one, I swear with Bible, Debbie. We say a traditional court. Way. That's what she says. She says it's a Ghana traditional court inside Jamestown, where actually there is spirituality involved. Nananom kan into come na so kusai, na so kutwantro hono ma de ebe ye no. Ompe baku sikra. And na so call no na so call GBB tum. Na so san so ba out e be twan wo san so the same thing de ebe ye no sagrada na be bo na bo na kum. She says that is maybe the only way she can actually solve the whole tension between she herself and Afia Schwarzenegger, because she's not interested in talking about Afia Schwarzenegger again in her life. She says she wants to end the relationship in every form. Make Afia Schwarzenegger never talk about her matter again. And that's the only way. And somebody back on anonymous anymore, and they'll resolve it. You don't talk about me, I don't talk about you. And no, Afia Schwarzenegger and so fire Mzbel back with a response saying that I dare you and your so-called traditional courts, Ashawonibaaa, use them to act to curse if you think I lied about anything. Oh, free. Yes, that is Afia Schwarzenegger's response to Mzbel, saying that she has taken her to a traditional court inside Mashi. Yes, the Jamestown there. So yes, that's what is going on. Mzbel say the Afia Schwarzenegger court because Afia Schwarzenegger there be no chance so. At every given opportunity, Obenya on TV or radio, Obechat and try to say Mzbel, and then the boyfriend be ada, and I saw a Jenny Papa no be, Papa no nende, ye who then should there be a Papa no. So that's what they are fighting over. So yes, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you think, this is the right way to go with the traditional court and everything, or you have something else to say, you leave it in the comment section below. I personally think that, they should sit down and solve this whole thing. You get it? Because they are in some way. So yes, that's all. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please do also subscribe to GhanaToday TV.